I was speaking to some older people in my family to understand कि आप किस वजह से controversy में पहले आए. They said there was an interview that you did with the Prime Minister in 2002. I tried to look it up and find it on YouTube. I couldn't find it. ऐसा क्या हुआ था उसके अंदर? And are you still friends with him? Because I've seen you speak about the Prime Minister a few occasions. ललन टॉप के मैंने उस पर देखा. मतलब आप कह रहे थे आप आंध्र भवन में खाना भी खाते थे उनके साथ. And I'm just trying to understand, what was that interview like?
See, there are 2 or 3 interviews with Mr. Modi. I recall one interview that I did with the Prime Minister was in 2012, where he made me sit at the bottom of a bus. वो बस में वो ड्राइवर की बगल में वो ऊपर बैठे थे, मुझे नीचे बिठाया था.
Right.
उस where you just get into the bus. और उस इंटरव्यू में उन्होंने you must have a look at that interview, because whenever I asked a question, he would stare into the distance. राजदीप बोलते रहिए जो आपको बोलना है, आपको पद्मश्री मिला है, आपको कुछ भी और मिलेगा, कैरी ऑन, आपका 24 घंटे का चैनल. So it was rather frosty. That interview went viral. And in 2002, I had interviewed him during the Gujarat riots. और उसकी बड़ी interesting कहानी है.
You've written this seminar piece about it.
Yes. Yeah. The fact is, first time when I interviewed him, that day, वो टेप खराब हो गई.
अगर आपको इस पॉडकास्ट की छोटी छोटी झलक देखनी है तो उसका क्लिप्स को सब्सक्राइब करें.
तो मुझे दोबारा उनको इंटरव्यू करना पड़ा उसी रात को, और दंगे चल रहे थे रात को उनके घर के बाहर. एंड आई हैव रिटन अबाउट इट व्हेन आई कम आउट ऑफ द हाउस. अबाउट अ किलोमीटर ही टोल्ड मी इन द इंटरव्यू, एवरीथिंग इज अंडर कंट्रोल, डोंट मैग्निफाई इंसिडेंट्स. एंड एक्जैक्टली 1 kilometer अवे फ्रॉम द चीफ मिनिस्टर्स रेजिडेंस इन गांधीनगर, वी वर अटैक्ड बाय एक्टिविस्ट्स ऑन द रोड. Our windshields is broken. We were being asked to pull down our pants to find out whether we were circumcised or not. I write about it in my 2014 book. This is the reality. But with Mr. Modi, to answer your question, I actually had a decent relationship, a good relationship, because we started our lives in a way together. I as a young journalist, he as a state secretary. जब रथ यात्रा 1990 में हुई, he was in charge of the Gujarat unit of the BJP and I was following that yatra. And I always found Mr. Modi to be a very sharp communicator. And as someone in journalism, you would respect someone who's a sharp communicator. And over the years, I respect the fact he's very hardworking. I've said this in some of the London top analysis that I've done. 50 years in politics, boss, not easy. Utar chadav sab dekhe aapne. Narendra Modi has gone through the grind, right? I may not approve of a certain type of politics that he practices at times. But I at the end of the day, I am an observer. As an observer, I will look at the good, the bad and the ugly. The problem is सब जय जयकार करना चाहते हैं किसी का भी. या तो राहुल गांधी के एक तरह से जो कहिए आप गोदी मीडिया, राहुल गांधी की कोई दरबारी मीडिया या नरेंद्र मोदी की गोदी मीडिया. मैं ना गोदी बनना चाहता हूँ ना दरबारी बनना चाहता हूँ. मेरा क्या होगा?